guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So today in the mail I got my latest Pinch Me box. I was supposed to get like different stuff than this, or at least that's what I picked last week. I was supposed to get like 5 or 6 different things that were like sample or tester sizes, and what arrived in the mail today was a little bit odd. So inside the box is a coupon for some salad dressing, which I've actually been looking at some of these because they have some that are like, there's lemon, poppy, berry, basil, strawberry, blackberry, balsamic, and mango, which I would never get the lemon, poppy, or the mango, but the other 3 sound great. So I got a coupon for that. And then there was a $60 gift card for HelloFresh, which I've always wanted to try them, but I do a lot of cooking myself, and my dad doesn't think that it's like something that we would really need, because when I make a meal that will feed us for several days, not just one sitting. So maybe with the $60 off, it says redeem your unique code and enjoy $20 off your first 3 deliveries. So I would have to order it at least 3 times to get money off of it. So I know in my Grace box I got a $50 one off, so I don't know if that has stipulations like this one does, but it is interesting. I've always wanted to try it. I see a lot of YouTubers get sponsored by them. The next thing in the box was, it says all kinds of tough. This is from NextCare. These are their like clear Band-Aids, and I have been looking for clear Band-Aids for a while. My dad works with his hands. He is a mechanical and electrical engineer. He is always out in the field working on all kinds of electronics. So he bashes his hands pretty good, but he doesn't want to have to see a Band-Aid on his finger. I don't know what the hang-up is. I don't give a crap if you see my Band-Aid or not, but he's a little finicky about it. So I have been to Walmart, CVS, Publix, and Walgreens, even Target, trying to find these Band-Aids specifically, and I had yet to find them. So the fact that I got one in here with a coupon off for 50 cents off the next purchase of NextCare, I thought that was kind of funny. The last item in here is from Lumify. This is You Won't Believe Your Eyes. This is from Bausch & Lomb. It says award-worthy eye drops, helps eyes appear whiter and brighter, works in 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. Unique formulation, no bleach or dyes. And it says Lumify redness reducer eye drops reveal your eyes' natural radiance. Just 1 drop significantly reduces redness to make your eyes appear whiter and brighter. Now, I have a chronic dry eye condition. I also have allergies, and right now this eye has been driving me nuts since I woke up a couple of hours ago, and it will not stop itching. I had a while ago, I had a small bottle of Restasis that the doctor had given me. I tried to get the prescription filled. It was like $90 for one little itty bitty bottle of eye drops that was only going to last me like a month, because they put the amount that's in here in one of those like bottles. If you look on the side, it has like the actual size of the bottle, and then there's like a fill line. Keeps trying to pick up on my face. Okay, so when I ran out of that, the eye doctor suggested I get Sustain. I've used Sustain for a while. It's a 2-in-1 box that I get. It comes with gel or the liquid, and these little bottles, like this one here, is right about at the label. And when I got it, it was all the way up to the top. So these are what I currently use for eye drops. My eyes are constantly itching and watering, and when your eyes water, it basically means that your eyes are dry, and so it's trying to lubricate your eyes. So I don't really care about like redness per se, but because this eye has been itching so bad, I might as well try these out on camera and see how this works. I did take the little seal off the top of it first. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom the camera in. And I'm kind of weird about eye drops. I think I got one in. There was one on the nozzle. I got one on my face. Close, but not quite close enough. Get linen on my lashes. And I like to massage under my eye when I put eye drops in, because that helps like lubricate the eye a little bit better and work the product around. And of course you get it all over your face. Well, it's not as red over here. I mean, you can see where my eye is red from me rubbing it, but like the outer edge where it was really red before isn't. Oh, wow. Even like the veins in my eyes, I don't know how close I can get. Even the veins on the inner part of my eye are much less reduced than this side. That's kind of crazy. I've never had eye drops do that. But then again, I wasn't one of those like stoner kids in school, so I didn't really need that. Wow, that is like, even on the viewfinder for the camera, it's like this eye looks like I took a white Sharpie and just kind of colored on my eye. You can still see the veining on this eye here. And then the other eye, it's like almost completely indistinguishable. That is nuts. Okay, let me do the other eye now that you've seen this one up close. Now you can see all the veins in the front of my eye. It's still trying to figure out how to focus. There we go. All right, let me put one drop in this eye if I can actually get it in my eye. Okay, I got one in. That's what my eye looks like right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid back on it. Oh wow, I can actually see, you can watch it getting lighter. It's almost like it shrunk the veins in my eye. I mean, you can still see this one like right through here. But like, holy crap. Looking at it here, I mean, of course the camera, it's like high definition. So like the vein that's running through the very front part of my eye in my mirror here isn't as like defined as it shows in the viewfinder for me. And like my other eye, get it to focus on my eye first. This eye, you can't even like see the veins, like you can see them in my eye. But they're like nowhere near as bad as what they were. That's just nuts. So I'm gonna have to keep trying that out. So this is from Bausch & Lomb. This is called Lumify. Zoom you back out. So all in all, this Pinch Me box has me intrigued. Dad'll be happy about the Band-Aid, even though it's only one. I'm gonna have to keep testing these out and see what I think. Now, as for what I use eye drops for, which is hydration for my eyes, I will have to see how this works. It says it's supposed to work up to 8 hours, and it didn't say anything about the fact that it was supposed to help lubricate your eyes like the Sustain does. And I know I have used, I think it was Visine, the red eyes one, or allergy eyes, I can't remember. It was a long time ago when I used to use it. I had to stop using them because they were burning my eyes. I will leave this product linked in the description box along with the other items. And then I'm sure HelloFresh has all kinds of codes. I'll see if that code is like universal or if it's one-time use. If it's one-time use, I won't put the code. But if it's a code that other people can use, I will definitely put the code in the description box as well. So I will continue to test this out, and I will let you guys know in like a bulk update on this. But this is everything that I got from my Pinch Me box for this time around. I really do like getting these little things. Now the box was absolutely huge, but the card itself, if you look, takes up the majority of the box. So that's why I really enjoy getting these little sample boxes, because I get to test out things like the native deodorant that I got a couple of months ago. I went ahead, I tested it out for almost a full 30 days, and then I had to go to Walmart and pick up groceries anyways, so I decided I would buy a full size. It gave me a chance to try a natural deodorant. I've had them in the past. I hadn't had any that really worked, but now that I've been using it for several months, I'm really glad that I got the sample in the Pinch Me box, because it gave me an opportunity to test out something I wouldn't have bought on my own. I had seen it at Walmart, but I wasn't like interested in buying it, because like I said, I saw it, but I don't know, I was using clinical strength stuff that still wasn't working all that great, and those are not cheap. They're like $15 for one clinical strength deodorant, and the native stuff is like $7 or $8. So I don't know, I really enjoy getting these little sample boxes so that I can test things out, and literally all I have to do is go on their website, pick out the stuff, leave a review when I actually get it on their website, and then post a picture of it on social media. It's not that hard. I don't have to record these videos, I just do because I find them interesting, or at least what I get interesting, so I want to share that. Anyways, I will see you guys later. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are.